Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Golang Beginner's Guide. Today we'll see more about Golang and its features. What is a Golang? If you go to the Google golang.org, you will see this definition of Go. It says Go is an open source programming language that makes it easy to build simple, reliable, and efficient software. Yes, but what does exactly mean? So let's pick all the keywords and let's understand this. So first is open source programming language. What this means? So if you go to this website github.golang.co, you will see this is the code. The Go was developed by Google and then it was open sourced. Now it means anyone in the world can contribute to this Go. Anyone can give suggestion. They can contribute to the source code. So it means it's open source. Anyone in the world can see the code of the Go and they can contribute to it. So on this page you will see all the guidelines. You will see all the contributors who are contributed to this Go, and even they gave the steps on how you can also contribute, right? So that's why it's open source programming language. It's a simple. So the Go code is very simple to understand, easy to understand, and even write the code. So if you are coming from the background like C or C++, you can relate more of the Go code. Yeah, there are pointers and all. Basically most of the things are borrowed, and anyone who is from any programming background, they can very much easily understand the code. Even anyone who don't have a programming background, they can also get started with Golang easily. That's why we say it's simple, it's reliable. It means, what is reliable? It means how crash proof the code is, right? Because the Go is a strongly typed language, that's why the chances of something going wrong is less. So there is a type safety that was there, and that's why we can ensure about the reliability, and the code is more efficient. The Go is very much optimized for memory and process management. So the contributors of the Go have very much designed a Go in such a way to optimize things at this level, memory and process level. So it's very very efficient if you write the code in the Go. Now let's see what are its features, right? So the important feature is like it's strongly typed. So if you are from the C or C++, you have already might have seen structs, integer, but if this is new for you, still that's fine. It just means that any data will be represented in a structured way. There is a type will be associated always with that data, right? So that's why we say it's a strongly typed. It's faster builds because as we have seen, it's made with efficiency in mind. So the builds are very much faster. The compilation time is the code will be all after the build, it is optimized considering the the platform on which it is running, right? Then it has an intrinsic concurrency support. This is one of the big advantage of Golang, that it has a very rich nice library to even support the concurrency programming. So then it has no exception. This is subjective because many people may like or may not, but yeah, there are no exception. If you are coming from the background like Java or so, you might have seen exception in other languages, but in Go no method or so will say that yes, I will be throwing this exception and all like that. So there are no exceptions. Any error we have to handle manually. Yeah, but that has advantages and many. But it's the topic is of the subjective, but yeah. Next, it has garbage collection. So any variable or allocation that is not being used, it will be cleared by the garbage collector. Then there is a tooling support. So Go has very rich tooling support. It has things like testing, profiling, benchmarking, formatting, and godoc. So because these are very cool tools, right? So I will be making more videos on each of this tool. Okay. Then there is very great built-in libraries like net, http, db, and io. So these are very great. Uh, you don't need to really depend on any other external libraries. See what will be more suitable and all. The Go itself gives all these libraries for you. So it becomes so these are very mostly used things in the programming. So all those libraries are already made built in the Golang itself. So that's a great thing. So this is all about the Golang and its features. Thank you for joining. See you in the next lecture.